It's yummy, yummy, yummy. But he said to me, my grace is sufficient for you, for my power is perfected in weakness. Therefore, I will boast all the more gladly in my weakness, so that the power of Christ may rest on me. Hey, loves!
Okay, loves, now we're going to get our shrimp together. Put a little oil. And we have our shrimp that has been seasoned and marinated. And we're just going to pour them babies one in there. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to eat. I can't wait to eat. I can't wait to eat. Yum, yummy, yummy, yummy. I can't wait. And guys, you know the shrimp doesn't take long at all to cook. I'm just letting the oil get a little warm. Guys, so we got our skillet hot, and we got our shrimp, and they are going to go right in. Yummy. I'm so excited. Like, let's be a family in this pan, please. Please and thank you. Yummy. Oh my God, guys. Just like a family reunion in there. And we're going to let those babies cook. It do not take shrimp long at all to cook. And although we have a little seasoning on them and marinade, we're still going to be able to tell when they're done, when they turn pink. I'm going to let them just get a little pink. And they also curl up even the more than what they are curled up anyway. So I'm so excited. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh my goodness, guys. They are just about done so quickly. One time now. Break it down now. Yummy, yummy, yummy. It's so good for my tummy. It's a ya, ya, ya. Ya, ya, ya. Ready to bon appetit. I'm ready to eat. I said a bon appetit. I'm ready to eat. I said a yummy, yummy, yummy. It's so good for my tummy. It's a ya, ya, ya. Ya, ya, ya. Okay, guys, look at this. Oh my goodness. You can choose to do whatever you like. Marinate. But our grits is going to be so smothered with butter. So you're going to be able to pick up the butter there. So look at all of that good yumptious, scrumptiousness right now. Okay, guys, I'm going to get ready to take that one off and get our plate together. All right, guys. Buttery grits. Oh my goodness. It's time to eat. It's a bon appetit. It's time to eat. Bon appetit. It's time to eat. Bon appetit. Oh my God, look at those. Oh, can't wait. Let's get ready to eat. Bon appetit, I'm ready to eat. Yummy, 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 it's so good for my tummy. It's a ya. Guys, let's plate this. Okay, loves. Okay, loves, there we are. Our shrimp and grits. Yummy. Now for the taste test. I promise, guys, I'm not going to smack. Just going to let you know. Okay, guys. Mmm. Guys, it is so good.